Introducing the utensil tree. It goes where cooks go, near the fire, to keep cooking essentials handy and off the ground. The utensil tree holds your camp towels. It has a place to prop marshmallow and hot dog sticks. The top rim is scalloped to keep items from rolling off. Drainage holes make it easy to clean up spills inside the tray or drain off rain from sudden cloudbursts. Down below, greasy utensils hang off of the ground and off of clean surfaces like picnic tables. Utensil tree's step bar pushes into the ground easily, wherever you need it, with just your foot, or into a patio base that can be filled with sand or water. Utensil tree has a durable 8-inch polymer tray with a scalloped top rim to keep items from rolling off. There's a metal towel holder with indentations to rest long utensils against the stand. It all sits on an adjustable powder-coated steel shaft that has an adjustable height 3-pronged hook for utensils. It breaks down for convenient transport and has its own carry bag. Somebody should have thought of this 1,000 barbecues ago. The utensil tree is a natural for campfire cooks everywhere.